Hey guys, how's it going? This week I am coming at you from beautiful Florida. This is something completely different for me. I've never been here before. I've always wanted to come here. And honestly, I came into this trip just not knowing at all what to expect. And we're gonna have so much fun. I say we because I am here with my lovely wife behind me.
Hello, Jimmy's channel.
So we're kayaking right now in some mangroves, just looking for whatever wildlife we can find. Just to preface this video, this trip is not a wildlife-based trip, though this video will be. So the reason I say that is because we're here on vacation. We're here to have fun together, spend some time together. We're not here specifically looking for wildlife, but Florida is an absolutely wonderful place filled with a lot of different species. So this video is going to be like my others, where I focus on the wildlife and the nature that we're exploring, even though that's not the primary purpose of our trip out here. So follow along with us this week as we explore new areas, hopefully see a new cast of characters, just some awesome wildlife. And I'm super excited to be here. Super excited to be here with my beautiful wife. And yeah, let's see what we can find. Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick check-in with you. We've had an awesome day so far. We flew out on a seaplane to this island, and I've been able to get some bird photography done, just a little bit this morning, not a ton. And then we went out snorkeling, and we're about to go out and do some more. It's just been a lot of fun though. This trip has been so different for me because this is not my scene. You guys who have watched my videos for a little while now know that I don't do the whole people thing and tropical. I mean, that's just, it's new to me, so it's just different, but I'm loving it. I'll be honest, I'm absolutely loving it. And I'm having a great time out here with my wife, and I hope she's enjoying it too.
Yeah, I've been enjoying it. It's been a lot of fun. The snorkeling has been great. The water has been so calm and just pristine. It's clear, it's blue. You're able to just float right on top and gently kick to get through the water. Yeah, it's been beautiful. Different for us. It's not a thick mountain forest. It's a little bit different, but no, it's been a really fun change and really great new experiences and memories.
Yep. This is a place, I mean, we've had so much fun so far that this is a place we're already talking about when we're gonna make it back. So definitely something that we're both enjoying, and we're gonna keep exploring this little island a little bit, see what else we can find, hopefully some more birds or something. And then, yeah, we're gonna go out, do some more snorkeling, and just have a blast from there. Okay, we'll see you guys. Hey guys, just thought I would do a final check-in with you for this video. My wife's the smart one. She's taking a break from the mosquitoes and the humidity. I thought I would come back out here, do a quick little walk, see if I could find any other animals to take pictures of. We're headed out here shortly, headed back home, and let me just tell you, we have had a phenomenal time out here. Like I mentioned starting off with this video, this trip for us, this was a vacation. We came out here to have fun together, not necessarily come out here and look for wildlife, but we've still been able to see such a variety of wildlife in so many different types of habitats and ecosystems. It has been amazing. I've never been out here before, like I mentioned before. We've just scratched the surface in our time out here, but I have had so much fun. So much fun that this video is going to become kind of like a teaser of things to come in a future video. I'm already planning another trip out here, and it's going to be a trip in peak wildlife season, which right now is not, but a trip in peak wildlife season and a trip focused just on wildlife. And the method that I'm planning on getting around and camping is going to be something completely new for me that I've always wanted to do, and I'm just super excited for it. So that's something to look forward to. Like I mentioned though, we've just had a great time. We've seen some awesome wildlife. There's so many lizards everywhere, wild iguanas. I saw my first 2 American alligators in the wild. That was awesome. So many different types of birds and everything. And it's just been a whole lot of fun, and just the variety of landscapes we were able to see. So pretty out here. But you know, we've had a great time. I hope you guys have enjoyed. It's been fun putting this together. Even though it wasn't a trip focused on wildlife, we've still had a blast, and the animals that I've been able to see, unforgettable. So much fun. I'm gonna keep looking for wildlife though, see what else we can find. That's a new sound, some sort of bug. Anyways, I'm gonna keep looking for wildlife now. Take these last moments, last couple hours here to see what I can find. Thank you so much, you guys, for following along this week. I've had fun. I hope you've enjoyed. If you've got any tips for finding stuff out here, because I'm all new to it, let me know in the comments. Beautiful area though. Be safe out there, you guys. Be smart and go out prepared. As always, have a good time, and we'll see you next week. Oh, I'm not gonna show you. Oh. Okay, we'll cut there. Whoa. Cut again. Okay, we'll cut there. Let's get past this branch and I'll... Whoa. I'll have to cut that out as well.